the marriage ceremony, we will be going.
Worry direct.
Papa Ekene, you love this your marriage something you want to take away.
Is that my in-law? What do you from
let me come and sponsor you.
Oh, yeah, Papa.
Oh, Joe.
Yeah.
Come on, bring it for us.
Is that how you will behave if you go to
You want to sponsor it? You want to throw it?
What is? Look at this. What is this?
When it comes to food, all your body will be open. Leave this thing, my friend.
Where's
This boy. Shut up, let me talk. Is he your son? Is he your son? Oh, Joe.
Yeah, Papa.
You will bring food, no water. You will bring water, no food. Are you out of the like mother, like son, like shut up, bring food, bring the water.
Papa, look at the water.
I should look at the water.
Look at the water, Papa.
Eh? What is my...
You will be ready to lay good foundation.